Preparing a lesson plan along with a concept map is one thing that we all have to do before entering a class. So here I am going to present a few lesson plans along with their concept maps to ease your work. So the first chapter that we are going to deal with is Heredity and Evolution from class 10th NCERT textbook. So first of all I am presenting the concept map here, and then I will show the first page of the lesson plan. Now we are going to see the first page of our lesson plan. Here we have to write the date and then the class, date on which the class is being taken, and the class, then subject, unit, topic, and on the other side we have to write the duration of the class, like 30 minutes or 40 minutes, whatever it is, and the period on which you are taking the class. Then we need to write the major concepts or the learning points. Here we are going to just write the concepts that we are going to deal that day. And then comes the learning objectives. In the learning objectives we will have to follow Bloom's taxonomy, and from there we can find the keywords, like here I have used define, then form idea, then explain. These are all taken from Bloom's taxonomy. Next comes our previous knowledge, the previous knowledge of the students that they might have, that we consider that they might have, so that we need to write. Then we are going to write the learning resources, whatever we are going to use. Then comes the process skills, and then comes learning process. So this was the first page. Now the next page is where the lesson plan actually starts. So first, it is a 5E lesson plan. So we are going to write engage first. Here we have written engage, and we have tried to engage the students. A good lesson plan is something in which the teacher puts effort to allow or to provide opportunity to the students to speak up or to present their ideas, where the students take part more. That is an ideal lesson plan, because we are all working towards a constructivist classroom, where a child is the center of our attraction, or child is the center of the teaching learning process. So the students activity will be more than teachers activity. That is why we have created it in this way. Here I have also shown the blackboard work that the teacher might do during the class. So this is the first page of the lesson plan. Next we are coming to the second page. Here we have explore or the explain of the 5E lesson plan. Then we come to extend. At the bottom we are starting extend. Now extend continues. And here we have evaluation. That is done at the end of the class to evaluate students' understanding. And finally comes our home assignment. So that's all. Thank you.